Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be answering this particular subscriber's question, because this person asked me personally, what do subscribers need from YouTubers? Now today I am going to be answering that question. If you're interested to know what subscribers want from YouTubers, then you should stick around. Hi and welcome back to my channel. As you already know, my name is Lisa Wabia and I'm just going to go straight to the point. The first thing I want to say before I start this main video is this: if you have any question you want me to answer, probably with a video or personally, please you can do that by sending me a message either on my Facebook page, or you comment below, or you can send me a message on Instagram, on Twitter, wherever it may be, because that is the only way I can know. Or you can still come to my community post too. I guess I should ask the question, so if you want to know anything, you paste it there. Now, going straight into this video, or the reason why we are on this particular video. Now, someone confided in me and asked me, I don't really know what to do about my channel, like I'm not really getting what I want. So what do people really want from YouTubers? Now, the first thing I must let you know before I go into the reason is this: there are two things that a YouTuber must take note of. Are you the quantity YouTuber, or are you the quality YouTuber? Now, when I say the quantity, there are lots of YouTubers I have watched. I watch YouTubers every day. In fact, now I'm even more active on YouTube than before. There are YouTubers I watch, the big YouTubers who are already mighty, then the big but not so big YouTubers. There are small but mighty YouTubers. You know, I'm going to qualify them, or I'm going to separate them into various groups. Now, the big YouTubers that are very, very mighty, let me put mighty because, they dish out content and they still maintain the views. They are into the quality and the quantity. Now, they give you enough quantity of videos, enough videos, large quantity of videos and all that, and they still maintain their quality because, hey, you are still coming back to watch. Okay. Now, for the quantity YouTuber, is a big YouTuber that may just be posting videos, doesn't ask their audience, what do you want, how do you want my videos to be for you, I'm here to make videos for you and all that. And you see, they post videos and they get lesser views. Now, there are still some YouTubers who still are small but mighty. Maybe they may be from 500 to 1k subscribers, and then they post videos that have a lot of quality, but they still don't have many subscribers. They are still growing. And one thing I must tell you about those kind of YouTubers is that you should watch out, because they usually make it overnight. Why? Because they make relatable content. Now, to answer your question, what do subscribers want from YouTubers? They are just two things. They want to learn and they want to gain something from you, or they just love you. That's all. Take for instance Mr. Beast. I know everybody likes using Mr. Beast, but people love him and people still want to learn from him. Okay, now he is in between. So there are some reasons why some subscribers may be on you or on your channel. It's because they learn and they enjoy your conversations, they enjoy learning from you, they love your personality, they love your authenticity and all that. So those are the reasons why. Now, breaking them down, the first one is that they learn from you and they gain things from you. Take for instance big YouTubers like Nello KK. Sometimes we learn from some of the talk that she gives, maybe from Uncut with Nello and Ada and all that. People come there to see what is happening in her life. That is to know more about you. That is still in number one, and they are learning from you. So people may either come to check on her to either know what is going on in her life, so we can go put on our blog, or what is going on, what does she have for us today and all that. Now, most of we that are still upcoming are not in that level of number two, because I'm really going to number two now. Most of us are in level one, or the reason one, because most people come to our channel. In fact, most people come to my channel because they want to learn one or two things from me. Sometimes people don't even watch my vlogs, except maybe I have something very interesting. But people come also to my vlog or to my videos sometimes because they tell me, oh Lisa, I love your authenticity, I love the way you talk, I love the things you do and all that. So without using myself as an example, I'm trying to tell you that these two reasons are the main reasons why people come. It's either number one or number two, or both. So I hope this answers your question, and feel free to drop any question you want me to answer, and I will answer probably with a video. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Please stay safe as always. I love you as always. Mwah. Bye.